Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to split wall by levels. Before, I already did videos for columns, both structural and architectural column. This video is about walls. Here, I created different levels from level 0 to level 11 with the different heights. And also, I created these walls. These are the single wall from level 0 to level 11. I'm going to split these walls by levels using Dynamo. Let's start. I'm going to open Dynamo first. Here, this is the new Dynamo file. I'm going to search for categories. Then all element of category. All elements of category. In category, select wall and connect. And also search for Boolean. That's it. Now I'm going to use a Python script to split wall by levels. For that, search for Python. Open this Python script. Open this box. Delete and paste it. I will share this Python script in the description. Then save. Click this plus button to make this input. That's it. I'm going to create code block and search for and type run. And also I'm going to mention wall as W. That's it. Connect this boolean into run and element into W. These nodes will get all the walls in the project. If you want to split only one wall or only particular walls, you can use this select model element or select model elements to select multiple walls. In this case, I'm going to split all the walls in the project. So I'm going to use this node. Connect this run into input 0, then wall into input 1. Okay, here is our model. I'm going to split all the walls in this project. Here is the single wall. All walls are single wall. You can see here everything is ready. I'm going to click run. Make sure to change this to true. I'm going to click run again. That's it. Now run completed. I think you can see it splits all the walls by levels. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.